My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now. Friends, in this video once again we are talking about the Bittorrent token. What's the current price of the Bittorrent token? What's the price change occur in the Bittorrent token, and what is the next move of Bittorrent token? Especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the Bittorrent token, so keep watch this video till the end, friends. And if you are new to my channel, please like this video, subscribe channels for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. Anyways friends, let's move on and let's start the video, friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Bitcoin token BTT. Now at this time, price of the BTT in the market is 0.006017 USD dollar is the current price of the BTT. But friends, remember that I know that now at this time the BTT is fast down, friends. The price of the Bitcoin token is going down minute by minute, hour by hour. The price is going down, friends. But that's not mean that you said it, friends. No, Bitcoin token give you good amount of profit. Trust me, believe me. I'm sure about the Bitcoin token that they will give you good amount of profit in the last of this month, friends. Remember that. Remark my words, friends, that the Bitcoin token give you profit in this month, friends. Anyways, if we talk about the prices occur in the Bitcoin token, so absolutely the whole changes occur in the Bitcoin token as negative, as you can see now on the screen. Let's see, my friends, the price chart of the BTT, that what's going in this time in a Bitcoin token. Now friends, as you can see here, at this time the BTT price is going fast down, as you can see here at the last time especially. And if you look, as you can see here, at this time also fast down occur in the BTT. But now only on this point the BTT taken a jump for a later time, as you can see here. At this time they take a jump for a later time. So now I think that now BTT is going down, but after some passage of time, after 2 days, after 3 days, the BTT is again start jumping. Let's suppose you said BTT token on this price. Let's suppose. So just imagine you are in the profit or loss. As you can see here, now the price change is negative, so you are in the profit or loss. Absolutely, you are in the loss, friends. So why are you decide to sell BTT? Don't do this mistake and don't say it. It's time to hold BTT token, friends. Why are you decide to sell BTT token? It's time to hold. My personal advice for all of Bitcoin token holder is that please hold it and don't do this mistake. Don't sell BTT token, please. Anyways, I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research, friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos.